guys, how are you all, and welcome back to my channel. Hope all are doing fine and all are safe at home. Now I would like to share a few experiences that I faced during COVID. I was tested positive 20 days ago, and apart from that I have like final university exams which I have to attempt. I managed this too. Let me tell you how did I get COVID actually. I did not go anywhere. I still do not know how I had got COVID. I still remembered Saturday evening it was. I studied evening for like 15 to 20 minutes. I got like a severe headache came. That is headache. Normally headaches are casual for us. So that what did I do? I had a cup of coffee to relieve my headache, and as I had drank coffee, I went up. Played like did some workouts and all, played for some time. I came down. I still do not know that I was affected by virus, and that day I still remembered. I slept around 8 o'clock. I woke up around 2 o'clock, and I had realized that I had high fever. I still remember it was 101 fever. I was pretty panicked because seeing the situations around us, you would be panicked obviously. So I was quite panicked, and I was very scared because my grandfather had lived with us, and my mother, my dad. I do not want the spread of COVID to pass to them, and I was little bit panicked about them, and my health was not great. It was not in a good condition. The next day, what had happened? I was not well. I did not even attend the class on Monday. I still remember. I went. I took the medication for COVID itself that day. I wore like Dolo 650, paracetamol, and I was pretty well. After 3 days, I woke up, I had some food, and that day I realized that this was COVID because the symptoms are coming slowly. I had fever, I had throat pain, severe throat pain, I had fever, I had headache. It was messing up. My health was messed up. I was little bit of panic, but still I know I can fight with that as much as possible. I asked my mother, don't come to my room also. I did not allow her to come. She used to keep food outside of my home, and I used to literally for the 1 week eat sleep, and I did not do anything. I had called to my friends, and all my friends used to call for me whenever they are free. They would ask, how are you feeling? I felt little bit okay because of their concern that I was tested positive. The next year I went to a rapid test. The rapid test was flop. I tested negative in that. I was confused. What? The symptoms and the signs are same. Why did I test negative again? And I was scared. I asked my grandfather, like he went to his home because he was not he was very old, right? He could not fight, and the situations are very bad. We would not even get the oxygen cylinders, and that time we would not get oxygen cylinders. Even the hospitals were full. So I was little bit panicked. He went away. After 3 days, the timetable of mine, when the exams are going on, still I remembered. I was little bit tensed because it was university final exams. If I don't write that, I would flop. It was a flop year. I cannot do anything. I have to write next year. I was scared about that, first of all. Like literally, I would wake up in the morning. Like my friend used to call me. I would wake up in the morning, attend exam, and I still remember I used to sleep by 11:40 or 11:30 in the afternoon, having my breakfast, and I would take time like 2 to 3 hours. I used to sleep, again wake up, have my lunch, study for 1 or 2 hours. Maximum I studied for 1 or 2 hours, again sleep, again wake up, have some food. I finally realized that my COVID is peak in the morning and peak at the night. I have a little bit of time to adjust in the middle itself. So I would study in the afternoon, I would go to sleep. Morning, I was craving for junk that time, and my mother did not give the junk for me. I was feeded with dry fruits, apples, citrus fruits. As I know, the balanced diet is the key during this time. I have to increase my immunity, I have to recover fast. At a point of time, I faced a breathing issue on my third day, I guess. I was pretty scared. I cannot tell my mother. Like, she used to scold me literally if I don't tell. I used to tell. It was okay. For a few minutes, my oxygen and saturation level are okay. And I used to drink so much of water. So much of water. Like 4 to 5 liters of water. 2 to 3 liters of water with electrolytes. So much of water. I used to be okay. I literally did not wake up or literally did not walk for 7 days. I used to wake up, I used to take food, I used to eat, walk for 5 minutes, and then sleep again. This was my routine for 7 days. I could not even believe, because I am such a kid. Like, I used to roam around the home, I used to play with my dogs and all. I used to do everything nonsense in the home. I did not even wake up, and the pains were severe. For me, it was severe. I lost my smell and taste on fourth day. It came back very quickly. I recovered very quickly. After the recoverance also, till now I was facing body pains very severely in the morning. I could not even wake up in the morning. So the only thing I can tell you is, if you have any signs and symptoms that the doctors and everyone are telling, please isolate yourself at home, in the separate room that you have, because you shouldn't affect someone. If we are affected also through you, it should not go to someone. It feels guilty when it is serious for them. You can even not be so good for that. If you have any signs and symptoms, if you are tested negative also, please go isolate yourself for at least 10 to 10 days, so that the virus could go and you will be safer. And three important things: don't panic, everything is going to be all right one day. Do not panic. Secondly, eat. You have to eat. You cannot tell that I will become fat, or otherwise I would not, I don't like to eat, I'm not getting taste. Do not tell like that. Eat whatever your mother and your father gives you. Make sure you complete it. And wear the supplements, wear the tablets regularly. Talk to your friends, they'll support you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home. Please stay safe. I hope everyone, this pandemic should end as soon as possible. Praying for that. And do not be careless. The situations are worst outside. Do not be careless. Do not step out of your home unnecessarily. Until then, if you feel that this video added a value to your life, please like, share, and subscribe. And be careful, be safe. Hope this pandemic would end up soon. Until then, bye. I'll catch you with the next video.